says, the best kind of people are the ones who love you unconditionally, are soft and gentle with your heart and soul, make you smile with just their presence, know when something is not right without you having to say anything at all, take responsibility for their actions, respect other humans, let you be yourself, and accept you as you are. Forgive others instead of seek revenge. Are patient with your struggles. Are there no matter the situation. Make you feel safe, loved and understood. Help you without expecting anything in return. Listen attentively. Ask you to message them when you get home safe. Are there for you during the lows just as much as the highs. Check up on you when you are quiet. Believe in lifting other people up. Focus on self-care. See the best in you, even when you can't. Teach you new things. Find happiness in your happiness. Show that you are loved and reassure you when you need it. Don't try to make you feel guilty for being upset. Are always honest and kind. Hold space for you, your feelings without judgment. To feel are present with you. Bring sunshine to your day. Type, this too shall pass. To affirm. God is saying to you today, someday all of this, the struggles, the waiting, the moments of self-doubt and wondering, all of this will make sense. But for now, have comfort in knowing that you are trying your best. Have faith that even though life has not been kind to you lately, you are learning to be kind and gentle with yourself. Trust that maybe the struggles are here to make you strong. Maybe through this period of waiting, you will find out things that are truly worth waiting for. And maybe by going through these moments of self-doubt and wondering, you will learn to believe in yourself. You will discover what is best for your heart as well. Remind yourself that even though it feels like forever, this is just a phase of your growing process. Type yes if you're ready, and share this video with 3 people who trust God. God says today, many will try to convince you that your sensitivity makes you weak. Let me tell you that your sensitivity makes you beautiful. Your sensitivity makes you different. It makes you unique. You see, we live in a world where it's easier to pretend And if you dare express that you feel, you become an easy target to be picked on and hurt. So, from a young age, you're taught that strength means hiding how you feel or not expressing your feelings at all. I want you to ask yourself, if you don't feel, how can you truly love? If you don't feel, how can you empathize with the tragedies happening in the world? If you are sensitive to being disrespected, it means that you will not disrespect others because you know how it feels to be disrespected. If you are sensitive to being ignored or lied to, you will not ignore or lie to others because you know how it feels to be ignored and to promise yourself from today to be at peace your sensitivity. Instead of trying to hide it, cherish it. Please subscribe our channel and turn on bell notification for more God message.
God says, your life is not horrible. Get up from the pit of misery. I have promised you to give you the victory. Don't allow Satan to bring you down. Get up and keep fighting. I love you. Type yes if you believe. God says, I will provide the justice. I am sorry for the people who have hurt you. Lean on me for strength. No sin will go unpunished. I love you. Amen.